VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing. We're going to look at a little economic data here. You can see the 10-year Treasury, consistent maturity rate. We go to the graph. You can see the maturity rates are starting to skyrocket, meaning less and less people. For a long time, since 1980, they didn't let them mature. They just rolled them over and rebought more, right? Now you can see the maturity rate is near zero, which means when they mature, they don't fucking buy them back because they're junk. Because the yield they're giving is shit. Unemployment's still high. 4-year moving average in claims. What else do we got here? Consumer price index. For urban areas, you can see it skyrocketed since the late 1970s when they took us off the gold standard, right? Disaster. And then St. Louis Fed, housing, inventory, monthly supply. Did we get July yet? July 6.2, so it did move up. It has forecasted. Remember when we started showing you this? What the fuck is going on? A couple of months back. Come on. We started showing you this back when it was at 4.5, and we said we expected it back in June when it was at 4.5. We said by 3 months from now we expected it to be making a run at 7, and now we're at 6.2, and we're almost coming up to upper resistance on this at about 6.6. And the forecast looks great as the home supply is increasing off the record low very fast, very quick, in an accelerating rate, and it's going to continue to skyrocket. And if we zoom out to the maximum, like I told you back when we first started talking, we were way down there at like 2.5, just coming off or about 3.5, just coming off the all-time low. And I told you within 6 months we'd be forcing 7 of upper resistance on this, which is a big surplus of homes coming from a record low to the mid-ground. And then I said 12 months from that date, which would be 2022 in May, we would be nearing 10 and 11, and by next summer, record highs. And nothing I'm seeing here is indicating this is going to slow down. We were talking way back there when it was at like 3.6 to 4.5, and I told you this forecast was going to skyrocket. Now we're at 6.2. I would suspect when next month comes out for August, later on this month, we're going to be pushing near 7. And I suspect by Thanksgiving, we're going to be up near 8.5. Thanksgiving time, monthly supply of homes will be near 8.5, putting downward pressure on prices, upwards pressure on building new homes. But new homes are too expensive to build right now. It's going to be a cataclysmic event. The housing market's going to unravel in a big way. Like, subscribe, and share for more financial updates like this. Peace and love. Peace and love.